Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Binance P2P merchant account. It's really simple and easy. You first have to come to Binance.com and you just have to log into your Binance account. Once you have done that, you need to hover over to trade and you will have to click on P2P option. Once you have done that, you will be landed on this type of page where you are going to see the requirements of applying for the P2P merchant. So here you need to read the merchant application criteria, and if you think that you are eligible for it, then you will have to tap on the apply now button in the bottom. Once done, your application will be submitted and the Binance customer support team is going to contact you and tell you about whether your application is approved or rejected. So you just have to wait for some time until you get any update from them. Once you are approved, then you just have to follow further instructions. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.